Hello, I am Harada, an administrative scrivener. This time I will explain what needs to be done after establishing a company when applying for a management visa. To obtain a management visa, it is necessary to prepare to the point where you can start operations immediately before applying for the visa. Specifically, this is the first step. It is necessary to report the establishment of the company to the tax office and other relevant authorities. The reporting destinations are the tax office and the Metropolitan Tax Office, as well as the prefectural tax office. Regarding this procedure, it is possible for the representative individual to handle the process by themselves. You can also rely on a tax accountant to handle the procedures on your behalf. So if you are considering asking a tax accountant for assistance with subsequent tax filings or similar matters, it might be a good idea to engage their services at this stage. Next is the business license. If you are starting a business that does not require a license, then you do not need to obtain one. Therefore, please first investigate whether the business you want to pursue requires a license. Common examples include restaurants, travel agencies, and secondhand goods dealers. In order to operate such businesses, a permit is required, so in these cases, you will need to obtain a business license before applying for the management visa. The third point is that the enrollment procedures for social insurance are also necessary. This includes procedures for employment insurance, welfare pension, and health insurance. These enrollment processes are required. You can also rely on a social insurance labor consultant. If you plan to hire many employees in the future, it might be a good idea to ask a social insurance labor consultant for assistance. At this stage, finally, it is important to change the name of the office from an individual name to the company name. When establishing a company, you may think about signing the office contract under the name of an individual collaborator. However, before applying for the visa, you will need to change the name to that of the company first, and then proceed with the visa application. Additionally, before applying for the visa, it is essential to ensure that the office is ready for use immediately, which includes preparing items such as the nameplate and the interior setup of the office. These preparations are necessary. Once all these procedures are completed, you will be able to apply for the visa. However, depending on the situation, there may be cases where a business license cannot be obtained until after the visa is acquired. Therefore, it may be necessary to handle each case on a case-by-case basis. If you have any questions or uncertainties, please feel free to consult with us. Thank you.